Hey everybody, so let's say at least one point or another you have encountered music that had loud portions and also had quiet portions, and you have your volume turned up because most of the song is quiet, but then you get into a loud section and it's blowing your ears off basically. Or let's say you're watching videos on YouTube, some videos are dead quiet, others are super loud, or some parts of the video are loud and other parts of the video are quiet. I'm sure you've probably encountered that on my own videos here at times. There is a way that you can alleviate that on many computers, particularly computers that have the Realtek HD audio codec, and this would apply to others as well. So our system here does have the Realtek HD audio codec as our audio device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go into Control Panel. Now to do that, you just open your Windows 11 Start menu and you can search for Control Panel. So we're in Control Panel, and if your system has the Realtek HD audio drivers installed, you may have access to the Realtek HD audio manager. So here we have that right here. Just going to open that up. Everything's opening up on my other monitor. Bear with me here. So here is the Realtek HD Audio Manager, and I'm going to locate some footage here for you to listen to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and play a video file here just for example. Let's do this one here, why not? Okay everybody, so my verdict. So right now I have the volume maxed out. Now my Sanyo Exacti CG20 camera, the raw audio coming off of that is pretty decent, but I have had some cameras where the audio was just not that loud. It was, matter of fact, it was actually on the quiet side. Matter of fact, some of my audio recordings from video shot, of course, like I'm doing right now with my screen, are kind of quiet. Okay, so I'm going to play an audio clip here from a video file where the actual audio is not very loud.
Just replace the card reader on the
And you can see my volume is maxed out. So in the Realtek HD Audio Manager software, if you go over here to Sound Effects, you'll see this Loudness Equalization option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and go back to that video file that was quiet. So I'm going to click this and listen to what happens here.
It has thrown off the dry letters.
So you can see how when I toggle this on and off, there's a huge difference. It brings up the volume of weak audio and it kind of muffles the volume of super loud audio. So it kind of gives you more of an equilibrium, so to say. Alright, so let's say your computer does not have the Realtek HD Audio Manager installed. And in some cases, your computer may not have the Realtek audio codec to begin with. Now, some audio codecs and sound cards do not have this as an option at all, but you may have that. You may have the option. So, again, we'll go into the Control Panel and we'll go to Sound, and we'll select our default playback device. We will go to Properties, and in Speakers Properties, we'll go to Enhancements, and you can see we have pretty much all those options that we had in the Realtek HD Audio Manager, including the Loudness Equalization, and here it's checked. So,
and it has thrown off the drive letter sign in my system. So if you look here, we're looking at my computer and file explorer.
okay, so as you can see, that's a way you can increase the sound of weak sounding audio and muffle the volume of extremely loud audio. So as you can see, it says here, Loudness Equalization uses understanding of human hearing to reduce perceived volume differences. And I think this actually does a pretty good job overall. So One thing I do want to mention, if you are a video editor like myself, sometimes it's a good idea to temporarily disable that. So in situations where you're doing video editing or anything where the actual volume of your track is important, you definitely will want to turn this off temporarily. Just uncheck it to briefly turn it off, do what you need to do, and then you can check it back and re-enable it. So hopefully that's helpful. That's one way that you can solve the problem of course, being surprised by sudden loud bursts of audio in music tracks, and also making weak sounding videos easier to hear. So anyways, that wraps up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Kuku channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeAmp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.